This is your universal gun cleaning kit. It's got everything you need to keep your rifles, shotguns, and pistols in order. You've got your handles for holding the tools. You got the different scrubbing brushes. Got the cleaning tools that you need. Got an attachments here. These little guys, you put the wipers in to wipe the oil out of it. These are your extensions, so depending if you're using a pistol, you use the short ones. If you're using a rifle or shotgun, you add extensions. Beautiful kit. It's a must-have if you're a gun owner.